You guys want to go see a castle? Shh, shh, shh. Don't say anything. Oh, this is nice, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's the restaurant there.
Oh, it's so pretty. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, you excited? It's Dad. You're so cute. What does Mom put you in? Oh, little doggy footprints. Little doggy footprints. You just enjoying the sun beaming in? Are you? You wanna come downstairs with Dad? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go on an adventure. Alright, are we gonna get to work? Are we? Are we gonna get to work? Okay, you can help me editing. You can pick the cuts that we're gonna use. Yeah, you just call out to me when you say, edit that, Dad. Huh? You wanna do that? Oh, woo. You're so cute. Alright, get some coffee. Danger. Men at work. And baby. Look, someone posted this. Where are you? Look, she posted this on my Facebook. Isn't that so funny? It's like Woody, but then it's got like me at the top. That was funny, Bran. What a beautiful afternoon delight. So, decided to head out to Ballyseedy. Cause you remember last time I was here, I got that chicken green Thai curry. That was pretty tasty, I must say. The reason I'm coming this way, you're probably thinking, anyone lives in Cork is like, Joby, where have you come from? I missed my exit. I ended up down in whatever the next one is. I have no idea. So now I'm coming back up this way. Oh, Christmas. Nice. Look at the hampers. Last time we were here it was all like Halloweeny, remember?
Yeah.
And now it's like this time. Well, it wasn't like full on Christmas.
Yeah.
Now it's like full on. Oh, look at those trees. Because remember what I was going on about? You were saying about the fake one, like. Those ones are amazing. Look at these ones. I like your ears. Aww, I want to give him a hug. It is Theo. Hi, Theo. Yum, Zaroonies. You look really pretty today, by the way.
Thank you. You're really pretty too.
Thank you. I was waiting.
Thank you.
Or this side?
Oh, you can just throw it down there, yeah. Thanks.
Enjoy.
Back we go. Oh yeah, guys, look, I decided to change my username. Look, Sacconejoly, because I was always, that's my @ you can still @ me at the same @jonathanjoly, but I decided to change my name. And that's so fun times. Anna always seems to have this magical list on her that seems to fill up with items all the time. Huh? Every time you go to a room. Oh, look at these. They're so cute. Oh, look, they got hedgehogs.
We need something to hang on the back.
Imagine you actually came out to a pot and there was a little baby kitten inside of it. Meow meow. Oh, look at this. Oh, little gnomes. This is exactly what I was looking for. What's the wooden part? Is that just a brush? Oh, you attach a bag onto the back of it. It skips it into the bag. It's so easy. Poop hound. Because my back is always broken when I'm down picking up all the poops. This is going to change my life for the better. For the back of the car.
Oh yeah, actually.
Oh. I should probably get gloves as well. There's a little selection here, look. There's the jersey triple pack for girls. But, you know, I got lady hands. I don't know, do I have big hands? Do I have big hands or little hands? I don't know. But look at these, one size fits all. Alright. Okay. Oh, these ones better. Ooh, these ones look cool. Here's a triple pack for men. Oh, this might be actually better. Look, it's got the heavy duty ones and the little ones. Oh, but then there's these ones.
You know our bedroom?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
but then where are you going to get tiny little pictures?
Instagram.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea actually. We still need to find a place to print Instagram pictures though.
Instagram.
Printstagram?
That's what we said.
Really? Yeah, but like, is it? Then they ship you the pictures, is it?
Anyways, but we need something to put on, like, you know, like up
Behind the
above our
bed. That's tiny though.
Is it too small?
Yeah, it needs like a massive picture of like a lighthouse or waves crashing or something like that. I don't know. I like those pictures, you know, the big nature pictures.
Or what about, you know, the wall opposite, like the wall where the bathroom is?
Yeah.
Where that wall?
Too small. Too small, my friend.
I'm looking for some items for our room, right?
Which one?
Bedroom. The master bedroom. No, I'm looking for some just decorative things. I would show you, but that would involve lots of hands. So I don't have enough hands. Yeah, so I was thinking of this. But Jofus says no.
Because I'm putting big blinds up on that big window. The ones that I have downstairs in the office. I think it's nice to be streamlined.
Then I was thinking, come here.
Oh, goodness.
Something like this for my jewelry. You know? Because whenever I go to sleep at night, I always take off my rings and all my jewelry.
This is like a tray for like bringing champagne around.
No, but it's kind of nice. I wish I had a girlfriend instead of you.
I wish I had a girlfriend instead of
You're
you.
just really mean. Just say everything I say is crap.
It's okay. I think that's a bit crazy. That's like silverware.
Yeah, but you see the theme of our room are lamps, you know? Do you ever check out our lamps?
Our lamps are silver?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then what I also wanted to get was some little jars for like Q-tips and cotton wool and stuff in the bathroom.
You want to put Q-tips and cotton wool in a silver jar?
No, not a silver one. Here, I'll show you. Or there's these.
Oh my god, do you remember?
Except they seem to only be hers.
In the wedding, we shipped over those
I know.
huge big things.
I know,
and
that
they were
would have
like
been
the
perfect.
bane of our lives.
I know.
This, we walked up the aisle.
I know.
Right, next wedding.
I know, it's so annoying. Okay.
Is this chair for sitting or just for decoration?
I think it's for putting things on.
Really? Oh my god, that's it. That's it. Beautiful. Get the chair and the picture. You've just made it. You've made a collection. What pictures are you going to put in here? Just leave these pictures in. We'll just tell people it's us. Look, there's you, me, and Amelia. There's you and me when we were in love. That's you and me when we were idiots. How am I supposed to get around here? Like, I'm not going to fit through there. You didn't think of me, did you? You just abandoned me here. I'm stuck here now. What the hell? Alright, let's see if we can get a turn here. Oh no. Can't get by. I gotta go all the way back. Oh, stupid poop hound. Oh my god, guys, look, actual Venus flytraps. They're so cool. Did you? Look at these. I'd love a fly just like landed on one of these right now. It's so cool. They're kind of scary. You put the popcorn in and you twist it and it makes popcorn? What? How does that make popcorn? That's amazing, isn't it? We should totally get that. I'm not over exaggerating. This is the coldest in my entire life I have ever been. Seriously. Do you not feel that? As the door opened, I felt every bone in my body sort of shiver and crush and crack and melt. Yep, you can melt in the cold. Oh, she's even woke. What the hell is going on? Are you breathing? Look, we're driving along. Oh, opposite it is. Oh, we're going a little off-road here. A little off-road. Okay, we made it. Now, do you want to sit in the boot? The front? Or do you want to be left behind? Ooh, what a nice evening. So, as I was driving along the wrong way, I noticed there was a castle up here. And I was like, oh my goodness, I should like totally bring my friends to see a castle. Because that's one thing that I know any of you viewers from, let's say, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Ireland, England, and other European countries, full of castles. We're tripping over castles. Castles everywhere. we used to live in it. We used to live on Castle Street in Dublin, and there was an actual castle on Dalkey, on the street there. So this place right here is called Castle Lake. Seriously. There's like seriously, you know what I mean? There's castles everywhere. But I know in America, you guys don't have castles. You have Disney Castle, which is pretty, I'll give you that, it's pretty impressive. Disney's castle is pretty impressive. But look at this, Barry's Court Castle. Huh? You guys want to go see a castle? Woohoo! Let's go! Ooh. You going into the castle, guys? Shh, 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 shh. Don't say anything. In case there's like druids or something here.
I think you're too early. I don't think this is like the entrance.
Is it
it's
not?
Like a proper entrance.
Oh, I don't know where I am actually. I just saw a little sign that said castle. I got excited.
Oh.
Oh.
Right.
Oh.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, welcome home. We bought a castle. Oh, this is nice, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's the restaurant there.
Oh, it's so pretty. This is so cool looking. I don't think it's open.
No, I don't even think the restaurant's open.
It's so cool, isn't it? Look at that. That's so epic. Do you think we... I don't know if you can even get out? Like, I don't know if this is private property and I'm not supposed to even be here.
The gate is locked. Do you see? It's padlocked.
The gate to get in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To be honest, I have never... Oh, look. There's tourist information.
Oh, tourist information. What does it say?
Daily 10 to 6.
Yeah. It's only 4:38.
Yeah, it says opening hours daily.
Oh, wait.
Oh, last admission 45 minutes before closing.
Yeah? 24.
Yeah.
Maybe someone sacked the castle.
Wait, June to September.
Ah, it's November, lads. Oh. Oh well. There you go, guys.
We should go to the restaurant.
All right, first time washing ya, huh? First time wash is the most important time wash. And the girl gave me 2 yokies again, which was nice of her. Can't get it to go into the thing. Oh my goodness, I got it. All right, level 1. Okay. My first car wash. This is emotional. It's important to get this little bit here nice and clean. Alright. Now comes the manual work. The manual labor part. Oh God. Oh. You see all your hard work. Yay, my lights are still working. Whoa, they're blinding. So we went with this picture, by the way. The one we're going to pretend it's us.
No, we're gonna get pictures printed.
Oh, are we?
Yeah.
I thought that was nice with the silhouette. You know, your life is a silhouette.
No, it has to be personal.
Okay, what do you reckon? Smack bang.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe a little bit more,
Look, you can just like...
maybe a little bit closer. Oh no, close the door so I'm not thrown off by that. Yeah.
Does that change everything?
Nope.
You see, the thing is, the door is always open.
Yeah, okay.
So shouldn't you compensate for the fact that the door is always open?
Yeah, so open it again.
Otherwise it'll look off. So I was going to center between the door and the wall. But then you see...
But then that's...
the
No.
radiator. So I think, personally, if it was me, and
Yeah.
this was my room, I'd probably go here.
Yeah.
That's only if it was my room, of course. I'm just basically... I'm lucky to be allowed to stay here most nights. Most nights. Not all nights.
And then we need something for here, but I think it needs to be quite big. I was thinking like a starburst mirror, but there's already a mirror there.
Don't make the baby. Don't make the baby. Don't make the baby. Don't
Make it high enough, Jofus.
Huh?
Are you sure that's high enough? No, that's way too low. What the hell?
No. That's the measurement nail. The first nail is the measuring nail, and then you know, right, that's perfect. So all you do is put it up here.
Yeah, okay.
So I tweeted this. These are all the people that got it correct. Correct, 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 correct. Oh my goodness, do you remember this song? I used to love this song. It's Moby. I haven't heard Moby in a long time. This song is amazing. Holy crap, do you remember I asked yesterday about where you guys are from? Like Morocco, North Carolina, Sweden, Illinois, South of France, Canada, Netherlands, Toronto, Ukraine, Saudi Arabia, England, Ontario, Quebec, CA, I think it's California, Italy, Mexico, Hawaii, Chicago, Texas, USA, Estonia, whoa, Scotland, New Mexico, Maine, Florida, Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Estonia, awesome, Germany, Belgium, Bosnia-Herzegovina, UK, direction, USA, Spain, Iceland, Argentina, Winnipeg, Canada, Finland, Australia, Tokyo, wowzers, Germany, Scotland, Ukraine, what? Uguys? What's that? Ukraine? I don't know what that is. South Wales, Jamaica, Venezuela, oh my, Kansas, hey, what's up? USA, Bulgaria, Italy, Romania, Scotland, Finland, Bologna. Oh, cool. That's where they make the Ducatis. Italy, Portugal, Canada, Denmark, Belfast. Oh my goodness. That is so cool that you guys all participated in that. Thanks a lot. It's so crazy to see you guys are from all over the Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Woo, Malaysia. Malaysia. Oh my goodness. Who's the furthest to, I don't know, what is the furthest point away? What's the opposite to Ireland? And is it like New Zealand? You know, like America is just over there. So it's not like on the opposite side of the world. In Europe, England, France, the Middle East, is that like Dubai? Would that be the other side of the world? I don't know. If anyone actually knows the geographical opposite end of the world to Ireland, leave me in the comments and let me know. But that's crazy. That's so cool. You guys are from all over the world. I didn't realize. Ooh, I feel like I need to put on some fancy clothes, brush my hair, sing you a song. Hey guys, and thanks for watching another episode of the Sacconejoly. And don't forget to like the video and favorite the video because that would be awesome.